Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can connect Skrill to Adobe Stock. So let's get started. If you are an Adobe Stock contributor and you want to withdraw your earnings through Skrill, the setup process is actually very simple, but you need to make sure your account is eligible first. First, log into your Adobe Stock contributor account using your browser. Once you're inside, go to the payout or earnings section from your dashboard. This is where all payment settings are managed. Before you continue, make sure you meet the basic requirements. You must have at least $25 in earnings, a valid tax form submitted, and at least 45 days passed since your first sale. Without this, the payout option will not activate. Now click on Request Payout or Add Payment Method. From the list of available payment options, select Skrill. After that, you will be asked to enter the email address linked to your Skrill account. Make sure you type the correct email because your payment will be sent directly there. Once added, confirm and save your payout method. Adobe will now use Skrill for your future withdrawals whenever you request a payout. After approval, payments are usually processed within a few business days, depending on the system workload. And that's it. That's how you can connect Skrill to Adobe Stock quickly and safely. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.